Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and back to the series Stories by Sudha Murthy, and let's begin the chapter 1. So, when Sudha Murthy was a girl, 12-year-old girl, she used to live in North Karnataka in her village, and उनके टाइम पे ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम अच्छा नहीं था, तो the morning paper used to come in afternoon, and the magazine would come one day late, and they would all eagerly wait for the bus to come because they had the magazines and paper, so they would eagerly wait. And Triveni was a popular Kannada language ki writer. She was a very wonderful writer, and her style was very convincing, very nice, and it would like कि अगर हम पढ़ ले तो हमें और इंटरेस्ट आएगा कि आगे क्या हुआ, एंड दैट इट वुड वेरी कन्विंसिंग. एंड हर स्टोरी डेल्ट विद साइकोलॉजिकल problems in life of ordinary people, and very interesting stories she would write. But for Kannada literature she died very young, and one of her novels, Kashi Yatri, was appearing as a serial in Kannada weekly Karmavira then, and it was a story of an old lady and her ardent desire. मतलब it was a strong wish to go to Kashi and worship Lord Vishweshwara, because it was considered कि अगर आप काशी जाओ and you worship Lord Vishweshwara, you get पुण्य, आपको पुण्य मिलता है. तो इसी वजह से it was also her desire, and her struggle to go there, how she went there, if she did not went there, and all that struggle was mentioned in that, they was described in that novel. And in that story there was a young orphan girl who falls in love but has no money for the wedding. So what the old lady does it, all the savings she had saved to go to Kashi and worship, she takes all that savings and gives that to orphan girl. It thinks that कि मेरी खुशी ज़्यादा उसकी खुशी ज़रूरी है. And the name of Sudha Murthy's grandmother is Krishtakka. She never went to school, so she did not know how to read. And every Wednesday the magazine would come, and Sudha Murthy would read the episode and the next episode to her. And she would patiently read, she would patiently listen to Sudha Murthy's stories, what she would tell, कि इसमें क्या हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ, and why it happened, and everything. She would listen it very nicely and patiently. And then when Sudha Murthy would read the episode, the next time she could call the episode, or say the episode out, the much she remembered, कि the much Sudha Murthy said, she would tell it. And she was the most interested, because Sudha Murthy's grandmother could connect to the story. That is why she was most interested. And after hearing what happened next in Kashi Yatri, she would gather all of her friends, sit in the temple courtyard and discuss the episode. And there would always be debate कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ, उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, वैसा क्यों किया, वैसा करना चाहिए था, and all. And the children would play hide and seek. And कुछ दिनों के लिए Sudha Murthy went to with her cousins, she went to a neighboring village for wedding. And उस time पे wedding was celebrated with great joy, and बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत धूमधाम से मनाते थे वो उस time पे. And children would have the freedom to play, eat, and how much they want to enjoy they could. And the elders would be busy themselves. And when Sudha Murthy came back to the village, she saw her grandmother in tears. She was surprised क्योंकि उनकी grandmother को सबसे मुश्किल situation में भी रोते हुए नहीं देखा. तो how come she is crying now? What happened? So she asked what happened. Is everything all right? Is everything okay? She used to call her Avva, and then, which means mother in the Kannada spoken in North Karnataka. She nodded but did not say anything, did not reply to Sudha Murthy. And Sudha Murthy forgot, and after dinner, they were sleeping in open terrace of the house. It was summer night and full moon was there, and they used to sleep on the terrace. Then Sudha Murthy's grandmother came next to her and उनके सर पे उन्होंने प्यार से वो पैट किया. लेकिन and Sudha Murthy realized कि her grandmother wanted to say something but did not know कि what she wanted to tell. So she asked her. And for this time it's part 1 and do wait for part 2 and chapter जल्दी complete हो जाएगा. And hope you guys enjoyed this and found it interesting. And हो सकता है कुछ दिनों बाद या मतलब एक हफ्ते बाद मे भी वीडियो आए, but I'll try to post videos.